Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to Max Online class. How are you, students? I hope you all are fine and safe by God's grace. Students, have you all completed your homework? Okay. In the previous class, what did you learn, students? Yeah, composition of function, is it? Composition of two functions you have learned. Shall we recall about that? Yeah. Let f from a to b and g from b to c be two functions. Two function f from a to b and g from b to c. Then the composition of f and g is denoted by g composite f. Composition of f and g denoted by g composite f is defined as the function g composite f of x is equal to g of f of x for all x belongs to a. Okay. In the previous class, I have explained example 1.19. Find f composite g and g composite f, is it? Now, I am going to explain example 1.20. Represent the function f of x is equal to root of 2x square minus 5x plus 3 as a composition of two functions. We have to write this as a composition of two functions. Now it is one function f of x like that having, is it? We have to write this as a composition of two functions. Okay. Now the question is f of x given f of x is equal to root of 2x square minus 5x plus 3. First, now I am splitting this into two. f1 of x and f2 of x. Here I am taking let f1 of x is equal to root x. Here x root having, is it? F of x is equal to root of. That root I am taking as f1 of x. f1 of x is equal to root x. Here also the function is x. So inside x like that I have denoted. Next, f2 of x is equal to, inside the root having values I am taking as f2 of x is equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 3. This is what? f2 of x. Now the function is f of x, is it? We have to write this as a composition of two functions. Now I have splitted this into two functions. We have to write this as a composition of two functions. Now I am taking f of x is equal to the given value. I am taking f of x is equal to root of 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Now listen here. It's equal to root of 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to what? f2 of x. Here this place 2x square minus 5x plus 3 in place and replacing f2 of x. Okay, f2 of x. Okay, f2 of x. Next, root x means what? f1 of x. Root f2 of x means, here what we have to substitute? Here f1 of. Listen carefully. X means f1 of x, is it? Here root of f2 of x means f1 of f2 of x. f1 of f2 of x. Okay. Here root x means which one? f1 of x. Here x in place we have to replace f2 of x. So f1 of f2 of x. Clear? This we can write f1 f2 of x also. f1 f2 of x or f1 composite f2 of x. f1 composite f2 of x. Okay. The question is represent the function f of x is equal to root of 2x square minus 5x plus 3 as a composition of two function. We have to write this as a composition of two function. First given values f of x is equal to root of 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Now I am taking root value f1 of x. That is f1 of x is equal to root of x. f2 of x is equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Now given value I am substituting f of x is equal to root of 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Here this place what is the value of 2x square minus 5x plus 3? f2 of x. Okay, 2x square minus 5x plus 3 in place. We have to replace f2 of x. Next, root x means f1 of x. But here what is that? What we got it? Root of f2 of x is equal to f1 of f2 of x. f1 of f2 of x. It's equal to f1 composite f2 of x. Now this function we have written as composition of two function. Have you understand, students? Okay. Now I am going to explain the next example. Example 1.21. Example 1.21. If f of x is equal to 3x minus 2, g of x is equal to 2x plus k, and if f composite g is equal to g composite f, then find the value of k. Okay. We have to find out the value of k. First given f of x is equal to 3x minus 2. G of x is equal to 2x plus k. Next, f composite g is equal to g composite f. This also given. Okay. First, we can find out f composite g of x. In the previous class, I have explained about that how to find out f composite g of x. F composite g of x, how we have to find out? F of g of x is equal to f of, what is g of x? G of x in place, we have to replace 2x plus k. Okay, f of 2x plus k. Next, f of x means 3x minus 2. f of x means 3x minus 2. But our question is f of 3x minus 2. So, f of 2x plus k. So, this x in place, we have to replace 2x plus k. So, what will be get? 3 into 2x plus k minus 2. 3 into 2x plus k minus 2. Multiply inside 3 2s are 6x. 1 3 is 3. 3k minus 2. 1. Okay. It's equal to equation 1. Next. G composite f of x also want to find out. If G composite f of x also want to find out. Is equal to g of f of x. What's that? G of f of x. It's equal to g of f of x in place. What we have to substitute? 3x minus 2. G of 3x minus 2. G of 3x minus 2. Next, what is g of x? 2x plus k. Is it? Here x in place, what we have to replace? 3x minus 2. So what will we get? Say students, 2 into x in place 3x minus 2 plus k. 2 into 3x minus 2 plus k. Multiply inside. 3 2s are 6. 6x minus 4 plus k. This equation 2. Okay. F composite G we have find out. G composite F we have find out. What is given? What is given? F composite G is equal to G composite F. Given that F composite G is equal to J composite F. What is F composite G? That is equation 1, is it? So 6x plus 3k minus 2 is equal to what is G composite F? Yeah, 6x minus 4 plus k. Okay. 6x plus 3k minus 2 is equal to 6x minus 4 plus k. Both the sides 6x will be cancelled. 6x will be cancelled. Next, 3k plus k take this side, minus 2 take that side. So k taking this side means minus k. 3k minus k is equal to minus 4 plus 2. 3k minus k is equal to minus 4 plus 2. K value take this side. Constant value want to take it this side. Is equal to 2k is equal to minus 2. 2k is equal to minus 2. K is equal to minus 2 by 2. 1. Therefore, k is equal to minus 1 is the answer. What's the value of k? K is equal to minus 1. Any doubt? Once again I am explaining. What's the question? F of x 3x minus 2. G of x 2x plus k. What is given? F composite G is equal to G composite F. The before problem, previous class I have taken to prove whether it is equal or not equal. Here it is equal like that given. We have to find out the value of k. Okay. Now f of x, g of x, f composite g is equal to g composite f. First find out f composite g of x is equal to f of g of x. G of x value 2x plus k. Want to substitute here. Next f of x means 3x minus 2. F of 2x plus k means 3 into 2x plus k minus 2. So 6x plus 3k minus 2. Next we want to find out g composite f of x is equal to g of f of x. F of x value 3x minus 2. So is equal to g of x means g of x is 2x plus k. Here k in place what we have to replace? 3x minus 2. So 2 into 3x minus 2 plus k. So 6x minus 4 plus k. Given that f composite g is equal to g composite f. So 6x plus 3k minus 2 is equal to 6x minus 4 plus k. Both the sides 6x. We can cancel it. Next, here variable term take it one side. Constant value take it another side. So 3k minus k is equal to minus 4 plus 2. So 2k is equal to minus 2. K is equal to minus 2 by 2. K is equal to minus 1. Have you understand this? Okay. Now I am going to explain example 1.22. Find k. Find k. What is given? F composite f of k is equal to 5. Given f of k is equal to 2k minus 1. F composite f of k is equal to 5. F composite f of k is equal to 5. First, we can find what before problem x. The function is about x. Here the function is about k. Okay, f of k is given. First, we have to find out f composite f of k. F composite f of k is equal to atma, like before problem, f of k. Okay, there are two function f and g given. So we have taken f of g of x. Here f composite f of k means f of k. Okay, f composite f of k means f of k. Have you understand this? Any doubt? Next, f of k in place, substitute 2k minus 1. So f of 2k minus 1. Okay, f of 2k minus 1. Clear, students? Next, f of k means what? 2k minus 1. Here k in place, what we have to replace? 2k minus 1. Again, this k in place. F of 2k minus 1 means 2 into k in place. 2k minus 1 minus 1. Okay. F of 2k minus 1 means 2 into k in place. 2k minus 1. 2k minus 1 minus 1. Clear? F composite f of k is equal to f of k. First f of k value is 2k minus 1. Next f of 2k minus 1 means 2 into k in place 2k minus 1 is equal to 2 2s are 4. 4k 1 2 is 2 minus 1 is equal to 4k minus 3. 4k minus 3. Then what is given? F composite f of k is equal to 5. F composite f of k is equal to 5. What's the value of f composite f of k? 4k minus 3. So, f composite f of k in place, we can substitute 4k minus 3 is equal to 5. 4k minus 3 is equal to 5. This minus 3, we can take it in right hand side. So 4k is equal to 5 plus 3. So 4k is equal to 8. So k is equal to 8 by 4. 2. Therefore k is equal to 2. Therefore k is equal to 2 is the answer. Therefore k is equal to 2. This is the value of k. Once again, here f of k is given. Then one more is what is given? F composite f of k is equal to 5. First we have to find out f composite f of k. It is equal to f of k. F of k in place, substitute 2k minus 1. Next, f of k means 2k minus 1. F of 2k minus 1 means 2 into 2k minus 1 minus 1. 2 into 2k minus 1 minus 1. So 2 2s are 4. 4k. Next 1 2 is 2. Minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 4k minus 3. Next what is given? F composite f of k is equal to 5. So F composite f of k is equal to 5. F composite f of k value 4k minus 3 is equal to 5. So 4k is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Then k is equal to 8 by 4. 8 by 4 is equal to 2. This is the value of k. Have you understand? Any doubt? Okay. Students, now I am going to explain exercise 1.5 second problem. Find the value of k such that f composite g is equal to g composite f. So there are also second problem. First problem is homework. Second problem I am going to explain. f of x is equal to 2x minus k. G of x is equal to 4x plus 5. This problem is same like that example 1.21. Okay. First given, what is given? F of x is equal to 2x minus k. G of x is equal to 4x plus 5. Then one more, what is given? G composite f is equal to, f composite g is equal to G composite f. First, what we have to find out? Yeah, f composite g of x is equal to f of g of x. F composite g of x is equal to f of g of x is equal to f of, what's the value of g of x? 4x plus 5. How to substitute here? Next, f of x means, what is f of x? 2x minus k. F of 4x plus 5 means, in this x in place, we have to replace 4x plus 5. So, 2 into 4x plus 5 minus k is equal to 2 4s are 8x, 5 2s are 10 minus k. Clear? 4 2s are 8x, 5 2s are 10 minus k. Okay, this is f composite g of x. 1. Next, we have to find out g composite f of x. G of f of x. G composite f of x is equal to g of f of x is equal to g of f of x value. Substitute here. What is f of x? 2x minus k. Next, now we have to see g of x. What is g of x? 4x plus 5. The function is about g of x. So, here g of 2x minus k means the x in place we have to replace 2x minus k. So, 4 into 2x minus k plus 5. 4 into 2x minus k plus 5. Here multiply inside this 4 2s are 8x. 1 4 is 4k plus 5. This is equation 2. It is equation 2. Now this both also equal. Is it? What is given? F composite g is equal to g composite f. When we are equating, what we are getting? Given that f composite g is equal to g composite f. What is f composite g? 8x plus 10 minus k is equal to 8x minus 4k plus 5. Both also equal like that given. Here both the side 8x cancel. Now variable terms, k terms take it in left hand side, constant term take it in right hand side. So minus k, minus 4k taking this side means 4k is equal to 5 minus 10. So 3k is equal to minus 5. 3k is equal to minus 5. Therefore, what's the value of k? K is equal to minus 5 by 3. Therefore, the value of k is minus 5 by 3. Any doubt? Okay. Now, exercise 1.5, fourth problem. I am going to explain the fourth problem. If f of x is equal to x square minus 1, what is given? f of x is equal to x square minus 1. G of x is equal to x minus 2. What is given? G composite f of a is equal to 1. This is which model problem? Which question? Example 1.22. The same like that. Example 1.22. Somewhat different. Okay. First we have to find out. Here the function is about a. From here what we can take? F of a means what, ma? F of a means a square minus 1. F of x means x square minus 1. F of a means a square minus 1. Then g of a means a minus 2. Clear? Why I have written like this? Here the function is about a. So I am writing f of a and g of a. First we have to find out g composite f of a. Is equal to G composite f of a is equal to G of f of a is equal to G of, what's the value of f of a? A square minus 1. Next, G of a means what is? A minus 2. G of a square minus 1 means in this a in place, we have to replace a square minus 1. So what will be get? What will be get? A in place, substitute a square minus 1. A square minus 1 minus 2. Okay. G of a means a minus 2. G of a square minus 1 means a square minus 1 minus 2. It's equal to a square minus 3. A square minus 3. Clear? Now, given that G composite f of a is equal to 1. That means a square minus 3 is equal to 1. A square minus 3 is equal to 1. A square is equal to 1 plus 3. A square is equal to 4. Okay. So, A is equal to plus or minus root 4. Okay. Plus y plus or minus I am writing plus. Next, A is equal to plus or minus root 4 means 2. Plus 2 the whole square means also 4. Minus 2 the whole square means also 4 only. So, we have to write A is equal to plus or minus 2. Okay. Any doubt in this question? Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now, I am going to give only one homework problem. That homework problem you want to be complete. Okay. Exercise 1.5 second problem homework. Find the value of k such that f composite g is equal to g composite f. There also first problem f of x is equal to 3x plus 2. G of x is equal to 6x minus k. The second problem already we have completed. Okay. Students, you have to do this homework problem as well as you have to learn everyday's portion. Okay. Then only easy to understand. Okay. Thank you, students.